Today I'm gonna go ahead and try and scare y'all. Let's do this. Buzz, do you want to? Sure, Sam. Where do you want to? Yes, Sam. What's your name? Do you want to? Oh, really? Is that so? Well, then get out of here! Gosh! Dad! Hey, Buzz, get off his shoulder. He doesn't like that. He doesn't like that. Okay. No. Let me go get the tea, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, Buzz? No leaning on shoulders. Got it? You freaking hear me? Sorry. Don't make me slap you. Okay. When did you get there? Okay. Well then. The hell? The fuck?